Hello and welcome to the Polish Foodies YouTube channel. We are in Pieniny Mountains in Poland and we are about to take the rafting on Dunajec River with this boat. So there are only 4 of us right now, our family, and we are waiting maybe another people will join our rafting or not. It is one of the best activities to take in Pieniny Mountains. The rafting takes about 2.5 hours. You can even take a boat like that or more adventure type of boat, but we are with small kids, so this is the one that they advised us. So 2.5 hours. We hope that it will be enough. Our kids will have enough fun and they won't get bored. The weather is beautiful today and it will be very hot. So it's 9 AM in the morning and we are hoping that this cold Dunajec River will make us a little bit cold. So let me take you for rafting. The tour was amazing. We've seen some beautiful landscapes. We were traveling along the border with Slovakia. So we had Slovakia on our right and Poland on our left almost all the time. Our little boy fell asleep. So if you wonder when you can take this tour, it's operating every day from April to October when the weather is good. And right now, let me show you some other places that we visited in Pieniny Mountains. The first one is Pieniny Mountain. It's the main mountain in Szczawnica. You can either hike up or take a chair lift up. Actually, you can buy a combined ticket for rafting on the river and then going up the Pieniny Mountain. So you are taking the chairlift that is okay for the kids. It is wheelchair friendly, stroller friendly. There are many attractions on top of the mountain for the kids and also for adults. There's a restaurant that you can eat, so it's a great place to visit. The second place that is worth visiting in Szczawnica is Pielnia Wód, a place where you can drink healthy mineral waters. The spa area in Szczawnica is very beautiful. Everything is located in the old buildings that are well maintained. Because Szczawnica was a spa town since the 19th century. So all of this is historical and very pretty. There are different kinds of water that you can drink depending on your health issues. When it comes to the taste, the water is not really delicious. However, it's healthy, of course, so it's worth to drink a cup or two. It works really simple. You are buying a plastic or a glass cup and you ask the lady to pour any kind of water that you want. So it's really simple. The next place that we want to recommend is Homole Gorge. That is really gorgeous. You are basically walking along the small river. You can get inside this river, so be careful. It may be slippery and it's best to wear waterproof shoes, as we did. We were wearing our Crocs and they were great. So the walk is very easy even for the kids. It's not stroller friendly, unfortunately, but even if you are traveling with a wheelchair or with the elderlies, the entrance to Homole Gorge is right next to the parking, so you may even see the beginning of it, because I think it's really beautiful even at the beginning. So you can basically spend some time just by this river watching the mountains, because it's very, very beautiful. It's actually considered one of the prettiest walks that you can take in Poland, and we loved it a lot. The next place that is worth visiting is Czorsztyn Lake. There are many things that you can do in and around the lake. One of this is going through the dam over the lake. You can also take a bike around the Czorsztyn Lake. The route is called Velo Czorsztyn, and you can do it in one day. You can also visit Czorsztyn Castle. That is so beautiful. I think the best photos for Czorsztyn Castle is from the dam, but you can also get inside to see how it looks. And finally, you can visit the beach that is called Plaża Pieniny, where you can simply swim in the lake or do some water sports, and also take a boat to see everything from the water perspective. So that is it. We had a wonderful time in Pieniny Mountains. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can like it if you want, and watch my other videos from Poland. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again next time. Bye bye!